Hello there, my very dear friends. Today I have a Porsche in for repair. So the car is already in my workshop. The car was brought in half disassembled, but I'll have to take apart a lot more to start the repair. I was brought this donor piece for the repair, so let's get started. So the car is disassembled. I'm not showing the disassembly because it's boring and takes a long time. This is a small part of what I removed. On this car, I decided not to pull out the damaged areas for no reason. I'll start removing it right away. But first I'll take the needed piece from the donor. I have the part for replacement. Now I'm removing the damaged metal, which means the entire front. You be quiet, please. Stay tuned to watch the exciting continuation of this story in the next part, where more thrilling events and developments await you. Don't miss out on the unfolding drama and action that will keep you on the edge of your seat. The front end has been removed. I'm leveling the car, applying body adhesive, and installing the new front end. always install the subframe before attaching the front. The subframe fit well. Now I'm measuring the top. I took the measurements from the donor's patched part. So the front is installed and all the measurements are good. I'm starting to weld, glue and rivet. Well, here it is. Complete and utter horror. Oh, I just realized something important. It's like a light bulb went off in my head, and now everything makes sense. Wow, what a revelation. Subtitles. Carefully made by Dima Tozok. Well, that's basically it. You belong to me in every way imaginable. Your presence is a constant reminder of our connection, and I feel it deeply. Every moment we share, every glance, every word spoken reinforces this bond. It's as if the universe conspired to bring us together, and now there's no turning back. You are mine, not in a possessive sense, but in a way that speaks to the depth of our relationship. This connection is profound. It resonates with every fiber of my being. We are intertwined, our lives, our destinies. This is a truth that I hold dear, and it is something that I cherish every single day. Dynamic music. So I've just now finished welding, gluing, and completely riveting. I'm sealing the joints with sealant, and after that I'll paint. The front is painted. Now all that's left is to assemble it. I'm installing all the parts that I removed and the ones that the owner brought. My work on this piston is done. This work took 75 hours. That's all for today. This was Arthur with you. Subscribe to see more videos. Goodbye.